Hello, in this video I will show you how to achieve a beautiful, fun, vibrant cat eye look with really affordable products. This makeup look shouldn't take you any more than about 10 minutes to achieve, but obviously this video might be a bit longer just because I'm talking and because usually when you film it takes much longer time, but it should be a fast, easy, fun, affordable makeup look. So let's get into it. So after you are doing your skincare and you've applied your sunscreen, you can go in with your foundation. And the one I'm going to use today is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Foundation. This foundation doesn't have the best shade range, so feel free to use any other drugstore foundation with a natural satin finish on your face. They do have a few other versions, so I'll recommend a few just now in the video. So I'm just going to use this on a wet sponge, and in the summer I like my sponge to be really cold, so it will help to depuff my face. With this look, you want to make sure your foundation is neither too dewy nor too matte. You want to have quite a natural look all over your face. Please excuse any background noises. Just as I started to film this fun, vibrant summer look, it started to hail and rain. Welcome to Scotland. The next thing I'm going to do is conceal my face, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which is very natural looking again, and it's not high coverage, so it's just helping to illuminate areas of your face and conceal, but at the same time I feel it's very daytime appropriate, or it's just really helping you to look still quite natural even if you're using it. So next thing I'm going to apply some eye primer from Kiko Milano, and I'm only going to use a very tiny bit. I've noticed this makes the colors look even more vibrant on the eyes. And now I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution, and it has some really fun colors. And today we will go into this insanely bright pink. But first of all, what I want to do is using the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease brush. I'm just going to use this cool toned brown just in my crease, just to create a tiny bit of definition. Going to look straight in the mirror and apply that. Very delicately, you almost want it to look natural, like it's just a natural shade on your eyelid. You don't want it to be too colourful or vibrant because all the focus will be on the cat eye bright eyeliner, so just want a tiny bit of shadow. And now the fun bit. I'm going to go in this extremely bright neon pink and place it in the middle of your eyelid just above the eyelashes. So you want a dense brush for this so it can pick up as much colour as possible. And then apply a bit under the eye as well, just in the centre as well. So I'm going to use this red shade called Jupiter, and then what we will do is try to create an outer cat eye. You can also use a more vibrant red shade for this if you want to. And the next thing you want to do is use a yellow shade. I'm going to use this Solar one, and just make sure it's a vibrant yellowish one. And place this in the inner corner of your eyes. I wish I had a kind of smaller detail brush, but unfortunately this is all I've got. You can even use your finger to add more. The next thing you want to do is curl your eyelashes. And I will apply the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, which is a very affordable one and it's really good. And a very important thing when you apply your mascara, try not to create your lashes outwards. Try to kind of build them up towards the outer corner of your eye so you can already create that cat eye shape with your mascara. if you put a bit of mascara around your eye, don't be scared and don't touch it, just let it dry, because if you let it dry you will be able to easily scrape it off. While my mascara is drying, I will continue to finish my face, and basically because the eyes are so colourful, I want to bring some definition into the face, but while leaving it natural. So I'm going to use the Rimmel bronzer with a fat blush brush from Real Techniques. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to use a clear brow gel because my eyebrows are naturally very dark and thick, but if you do need to fill them in, just make sure you're using quite an ashy, delicate color. Definitely don't put a lot of emphasis on your eyebrows. They're not the focus, the eyes is the focus. So I obviously can't really do anything about them because they're already extremely thick and black, but if you can, don't overemphasize them. And to create a shape of cat eyes, you can use individual false eyelashes, and the ones I'm using is just the Superdrug ones. So I'm just going to apply very few of them just in the outer corners of my eyes to further emphasize the cat eye shape. While the glue for the individual eyelashes is drying, I'm just going to apply some CIO lipstick and liner, and it's a very bright pink again, but I'm only going to use it very delicately on my lips because I still want them to be pretty nude. I'm just going to use this to kind of make them match the same color, because at the moment the eyeshadow is very cool toned bright pink and my lips are kind of peachy, so I don't really want that. So I'm just going to dab it on my lips. So this would be the finished look. Obviously you can add more false eyelashes in the outer corners if you want to further emphasize that cat eye effect, or you can just not do that if you just use your mascara sideways to kind of create that effect. I only used I think 2 false eyelashes on each eye just because it's still a summery look, so I don't want to have that false eyelash effect. I wanted to keep it quite natural and fluttery and fresh. I didn't use any blush because I think there's a lot of pink already on the eyelids, but you can definitely add more if you want to. What you can do to make it even more natural looking and summerish is to add a bit of bronzer in this area, but a very little one, you know, just so you don't have that makeup looking kind of contour bronzer and then highlighted center of the face. You can kind of match with it because this is meant to be a fun summer look, kind of natural looking skin, fun vibrant eyes. You can definitely add highlighter if you want to as well. I prefer not to because, as I've said, I want the entire emphasis to be on the eyes. So all the products I've used for this video were so affordable. I absolutely love this look, and the thing that I'm absolutely in love with it is the fact that it looks good even on my hooded eyelids. I hope you really enjoyed this makeup look. If you do, please thumbs up the video, subscribe and leave a comment down below. I hope you have an absolutely lovely rest of the day, and I hope to see you soon again on my channel. Bye!